This is a video of my 42-inch Aloha Breeze hugger ceiling fan in polished brass. This time, I put different pull chains on it and I flipped the blades over. And as you can see, I had finally cleaned it. So the blades are reversible from oak to rosewood. If that noise in the background, that's just the dryer. Don't mind that. 3 speeds, electrically reversible, integrated light kit, and the globe is missing, but it doesn't matter because it's installed in the basement. It did clean up pretty well, actually, aside from the paint on the housing. Other than that, it cleaned up pretty well. And without further ado, we will give it a demo. There is the light, and I am using a 60-watt LED light bulb in there. And here's low. Here is medium. And like I said, I did finally clean this thing, and it cleaned up pretty well. And that noise in the background is the dryer, so don't mind that. And here's high. And I did fix the bent blade arms, so it actually works normally now. It does have a slight wobble. And off. I don't know if you can tell, but I did get the blade arms in not perfect balance, but they're better, so it operates normally. Just a slight wobble. Now, if there were a globe on this thing, then there wouldn't be a vibration noise. And again, that noise in the background is the dryer, so don't mind that. Well, there you have it. That is my 42-inch polished brass Aloha Breeze hugger ceiling fan with the oak blades. 4 blades, 3-speed, electrically reversible, integrated light kit. Comment, like, share, subscribe. Peace.